central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 4:30 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Britain's Neck, or 18 miles south of Marion, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Horry, Gresham, PD Crossroads, Poston, Britain's Neck, Kingsburg, and Aner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florida.